Suppose if your batch is 30 members are there in one batch, so 25% of that batch will be 30, means out of 30, 15, 7 members will be selected for regular cadre. Rest of the remaining out of 37, 23 members will be approximately on discharge. Okay, only 7 members will be selected for regular cadre. So these are very important. And educational qualification, we need to check back that it is very that is what it is a good chance for students who have completed the 10+2 and they are in very short height, because for army normally for 10+2, otherwise 10th class standards, army requiring 165 centimeters. Somewhat traits are there in army, that is what SKT, like what they will be somewhat is height relaxation like what 160 centimeters like that. But in Air Force, it is a very chance for you if you complete your intermediate 10+2 with mathematics and physics, okay, and English from recognized boards, okay, with minimum marks, okay, 50% marks in aggregate, total aggregate marks 50% and 50% marks in English. So if you complete your intermediate 10+2 with mathematics, physics and English, so aggregate marks 50, and with especially in English 50 marks, okay, you must have. In English aggregate you have achieved 50% marks, but in English you are 49 marks, 49%. So you will not be considered, you will not be selected. So other than that is what, other than science subjects also, other than science subjects means whomever have intermediate completed 10+2 but they are not from mathematics, physics, so they are called other than science subjects. They will also need to 10+2 examination, any stream, okay, they will be, so from education recognized by central, state, so that board 10+2 board that may be from central government, state or union territory, but minimum 50% marks in aggregate and 50% marks in English. So other than science subjects, they will also be eligible for this exam. Okay, clearly they are mentioning 10+2 exam, equivalent exam in any stream, subjects from education, any stream other than science subjects. These are science subjects: maths, physics and English. Okay, so one thing is that maximum age limit is what, 21 years, and the student must be born, candidate must be born between 2 January 2004. Okay, in 2003 who took bond, they will not be eligible. Okay, understood that. The marital status, science subjects. So diploma students who have completed their 3 years diploma in mechanical, electrical, electronics, automobile, computer science, instrumentation technology, information technology, from any central government, state, UT, Union Territory recognized polytechnic institute, with 50% marks in aggregate and 50% marks in English in diploma course. Okay, if English is not part of diploma, so that 50% marks must be in intermediate or matriculation. Okay, if your diploma there is no English subject, so 50% marks you must have in either intermediate or matriculation. Okay, and then vocational course, who have completed 2 years vocational course with non-vocational subjects, okay, physics and mathematics. You have completed 2 years vocational course, but that moment you must have non-vocational subject physics and maths. If you completed that your vocational course with non-vocational subject physics and mathematics, okay, by the examination conducted by central government, state government, UT, union, with 50% aggregation marks, that is very aggregate marks, and 50% marks in English in your vocational course. Otherwise in your vocational course there is no any English subjects, so your English 50% marks will be considered from your intermediate or matriculation if English is not a subject of your vocational course. These are the educational qualification. Okay, other than science subjects, same thing. Okay, other than science subjects, same. Okay, you study this, all this, and after that let us discuss what medical standards. I will some medical standards. As I told you that it is a good opportunity for you to be part of your Air Force as Agniveervayu, male and female candidates. They will not be considered as airmen. Okay, they will be considered as separate staff in Air Force. Okay, after 4 years of service, 25% will be retained. Okay, what me? Okay, so next, height. Let us check back the general medical standards for Agniveer male and female candidates. So for male candidates, minimum acceptable height is 152.5 centimeters. Okay, so that's why I told you that if you have completed your +2, either science subjects or non-science subjects, and diploma if you have, otherwise if you have any vocational course, so you are eligible. If you are in maximum age limit 21 years, okay, under 21 years and with a height of 152.5 centimeters, you can appear for this. It is a good opportunity. Okay, who wants to be part of any forces? Okay, because if you want to be part of any defense forces like Army, Navy, Air Force, defense forces, apart from Agniveer and Agniveervayu in Navy Agniveer, so they are requesting for more than 160 centimeters. Today I have made a video over Navy Agniveer, so see that. So in Air Force, less height will be accepted. For female candidates, minimum acceptable height is 152 centimeters. So those candidates from northeast and hilly regions of Uttarakhand, a lower minimum height of 47 centimeters will be accepted. From north eastern states and Uttarakhand hilly regions. Okay, Lakshadweep, if they are from minimum height will be 150 centimeters. Okay, candidates availing height relaxation. If any height relaxation, you want to get somewhat height relaxation of northeast hilly regions of Uttarakhand, Lakshadweep, they need to submit their domestic nativity certificate. Okay, endorsement of competent authority. Okay, at the time of phase 2 testing. Candidates from hilly regions Uttarakhand must have specific endorsement hilly region in their domicile certificate. So in your nativity certificate, that is to be mentioned you are from hilly region. Okay, so weight as per your height and age, proper that is what proportionate means. As per your height and age, the weight will be considered. Chest 77 centimeters for the male candidates, after expansionation 5 centimeter. Okay, minimum chest circumference should be 77 centimeters, but that is for paramilitary forces 80 centimeters, and after expansion 5 centimeters. So here also somewhat relaxation for you in Air Force. That's why it is a very good opportunity in Air Force Agniveervayu who are feeling that I am height in small height. Okay, only 5 feet. 5 feet means what? 150 centimeters. Here 152. So just you above 5 feet, so you will be not 151 minimum. So if you have 152 centimeters, that will not be accepted. You must have 152 centimeters, 5 centimeters. After then whatever that is accepted. 152 is not accepted. So then weight, chest, okay. Female candidate, the chest, okay, proportion will develop minimum of age expansion 5 centimeters. Okay, next is what we will try to understand. This is what visual, hearing, okay, that will be part of your medical test. Okay, that will be checked by doctor, and we will discuss somewhat today. This is very important, what you know, today started. That's why I am making this video very important. So last date is up to 6 February 2024. Today start